Bonjour classe, aujourd'hui c'est lundi le 27 août, and so today we started doing our warm-ups and we started putting them on pages 7 and 8 of our interactive notebook. So you will have a warm-up every day except for Friday this week, and these warm-ups will have to do with the quiz that you're going to have this Friday, le 31 août, or August 31st. So this first warm-up is what you will put in your notebook, and I have a copy of all the warm-ups on the French 2 Pre-AP notes page of my website. And so you're going to answer these questions. You see Dr. Pressigno in the hallway. How would you say hello to him in French? Well, typically we would say bonjour. How would you greet your friends in French? We talked about it being salut. And then list 2 ways to introduce yourself in French. Je m'appelle and je suis. So that is what we did for our warm-up. Next, we talked about all of us are going to, or every student's going to be doing what we call le calendrier du jour, the calendar of the day, and it's going to start next week. So what you'll have to do, this page actually goes on to page, I believe, hang on, I'm going to tell you. Forget. It's going to be on page 9 of your notebook. You're going to glue this onto page 9, and when your day comes, you are going to, from memory, greet the class. Bonjour classe, je m'appelle Madame Pique, for example. Je vous présente le calendrier du jour. Whatever the date is that day, you'll say, for example, aujourd'hui c'est mardi le 28 août, because today happens to be the 28th, even though this was yesterday's. And then you're going to have to give me 2 kinds of weather, and then tell me goodbye. You can either say au revoir or salut or anything like that. So you will get one of these to put on page 9 of your notebook. You'll fill it out. Come ask me what day you were assigned, and I will tell you, and then you can go ahead and obviously put your name here. You'll be able to put the day of the week and the date. Go ahead and write that in. I would advise you to put the number in word form. It'll help you remember. And of course here you have to wait until that day to know what kind of weather it is, and then a form of goodbye. So this is something we went over yesterday, and just come to me, or you can go look in the absent folder for your class period, and we will and you can get it from there. For my pre-AP class, I didn't get to this with my regulars, but for my pre-AP class, we began to review our pastimes, or our activities from last year, les passe-temps. So we went through this PowerPoint. And I'll just go through it with you, and you can pronounce with me. Écoutez et répétez. Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire? Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire? What do you like to do? Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire? J'aime. J'aime. I like. J'aime bien. J'aime bien. I really like. J'aime beaucoup. J'aime beaucoup. I like a lot. Je n'aime pas. Je n'aime pas. I don't like. Tu aimes. Tu aimes. Do you like? J'aime un peu. J'aime un peu. I like a little. So here are all the different ways you can say you like or don't like to do something. Jouer au sport. Jouer au sport. Jouer au volley. Jouer au volley. Jouer au tennis. Jouer au tennis. Jouer au basket. jouer au basket, jouer au foot, jouer au foot, jouer au foot américain, jouer au foot américain, jouer au baseball, jouer au baseball, jouer au softball, jouer au softball, jouer au golf, jouer au golf, jouer aux jeux vidéo, jouer aux jeux vidéo, faire du ski alpin, faire du ski alpin, faire du snowboard, faire du snowboard, faire de la fanfare, faire de la fanfare, faire les devoirs, faire les devoirs, faire du vélo, faire du vélo, faire de la gym, faire de la gym, faire du patinage artistique, faire du patinage artistique, faire du roller, faire du roller, faire de la planche à roulettes, faire de la planche à roulettes, faire de la musculation, faire de la musculation, faire du footing, faire du jogging, faire du footing, faire du jogging, faire du shopping, faire du shopping, faire les courses, faire les courses, faire la cuisine, faire la cuisine, nager, nager, plonger, plonger, regarder la télé, regarder la télé, lire, lire, dormir, dormir, danser, danser, écouter de la musique, écouter de la musique, télécharger de la musique, télécharger de la musique, envoyer des textos, envoyer des textos, aller au cinéma, aller au cinéma, travailler, travailler, étudier, étudier. Téléphoner, téléphoner. Surfer sur Internet, surfer sur Internet. Sortir avec des amis, sortir avec des amis. Parler avec des amis, parler avec des amis. Manger, manger. All right, so and the last thing we did for my pre-AP class was I passed out these notes. Now, these already have the answers filled in, but I passed out the blank one. And so today, which is the 28th, we are going to go over all of this and fill in the blanks. All right, so you'll get one of these as well. But I also posted a copy on my activities. In fact, everything I've talked about, I think except for the PowerPoint, I have put onto my webpage under French 2 Pre-AP notes and activities. So feel free to go there and print those out. So that's it. Bonne journée, and I will see you when you get back.